2024 Honda CB650R. The CB650R will go down in history as the first Honda available with Honda e-clutch technology, which is designed to make motorcycling, from beginner to expert, more fun, and even more exciting. Honda is always thriving in exploring new frontiers, both in design and engineering. Aggressively redrawn styling, inspired by the Fireblade CB1000RR. And premium technology, like a new TFT screen and Honda RoadSync connectivity, makes this star shine even more. The world's first technology allows drivers to start, stop and change gears without using the clutch lever, simply with the gear shift pedal. The four-cylinder engine's exhilarating performance and light, versatile handling ensured immediate sales success. The vehicle receives major upgrades to the front suspension, plus a series of detail upgrades to improve comfort, usability and practicality. All LED lighting, new slanted headlamps combined with a new taillight design. There's a fresh look to the retro minimalism of the CB650R, new headlamps, radiator shrouds, rider or pillion seats, tail unit and rear lamps inject more dynamic energy, while the fuel tank maintains a strong presence atop the beautiful inline four-cylinder engine. Delivering more enjoyment and flexibility across a variety of scenarios, for a next-level driving experience, the Neo Sports Cafe style is developing dynamically. The new 5-inch full-color TFT display includes Honda RoadSync connectivity for on-screen turn-by-turn navigation and access to other smartphone functions. Peak power of 70 kW with 63 Nm is a pleasing figure for a naked bike, and a classic inline four-cylinder pickup and high revving power. A 35 kW option is available for A2 license holders.